finished checking in at the headquarters right now. About to get ready to step out with my baby for a second, get her something to eat. But before I do, wanted to check in with you for a second and just say something. But I got planes flying all over me right now. So, feel like I picked the wrong time, didn't I? Anyways, just wanted to say something real quick. So, I had a situation was brought to my attention today, and you know what? Sometimes in life, your purpose, your gift, your skills, some things are created or sharpened through the hardships you go through the hard times, through the times you want to quit, through the bad relationships, through the things that you don't even want to think about no more. You're like, whew, I'm glad that's on. You know what I mean? And it took all of those things came together, and then now you're in a situation where it made you better. I mean, you're stronger because of that pain, because of that past situation. And regardless if you hate it or it caused you to get angry or you probably got bitter and had to, get over that. But it was that situation that got you here now, that got you to the point where you're finna go to this next level. You know what I mean? And I just had to come to myself and to realize that today, and just realize, you know what, all those things that I went through, all that pain, it was meant to build who I am today. It was meant to take me where I'm going today. You know what I mean? And now I get it. But going through it, you don't get it. You know what I mean? You don't get it. You don't want to go through it. Nobody want to go through no pain. You know what I mean? Nobody want to go through unease situations. You know what I mean? But if you embrace it and you use it, the levels it can take your life is unreal. So all I want to say is, whatever you're going through, I don't know what you're going through, but embrace it, because that situation is what's going to take you to the situation where you ain't going to have to go through nothing. You ain't going to have to worry about nothing. You're just going to be able to live. And that's what we want to do. We want to live. And, hey, it's going to be 2020. If you haven't been living, let's start. Hog on.